Stop talking.
What's up, you guys? Thank you so much for coming to another video. As you can see, my husband is here. Today is actually the 5th video that I'm putting on my channel, and so we thought we might have a little bit of fun, and my husband does my makeup tag. I thought that would be a really good idea. I actually wanted to do this a long time ago when Hunter was my fiance, but it did not work out. Here we are today. We woke up extra early to film this before I had to go to work, and I hope you guys enjoy.
So how are we starting?
I'm not telling you.
I thought you said that you were gonna have stuff ready for me to go.
I do. I have everything out.
Oh, we need some foundation for sure, for sure. There's 2 different foundations.
There's 3 different foundations.
What? So I'm gonna put this on a brush. Ready? So I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know makeup. I've never done this before. I think I've seen her put it on her hand and do this. I don't know.
No.
Dude, I put like 3 squirts.
No, squirts. Ew. You're like blending it into your own hand.
Yes.
It's like you're painting a canvas.
Well, I am.
Oh my gosh. You're taking so much time to blend in one spot.
It's not my idea. That looks hecka good. Can't even tell anything's on your face. That's how good it looks. Yeah, I'm rolling with it. Shoot. No, this is the nicest foundation. I'm glad I didn't use this.
He's coming for you, cover girl.
And I'm just saying.
He's saying you're not good quality. The tea is hot. No? Oh, gosh.
Hey, she didn't say no on this one. Alrighty, let's figure out how to use this.
Actually, how about we conceal?
You have to go to work after this.
I'm gonna take it all off.
Where would you use concealer? Oh, isn't this the thing where you like this and like this?
Are you putting sunblock on my nose?
Yes. Yeah.
What are you doing? You already applied it there. Are you blending it out with that?
Alright, apparently you don't spread it with this. You need another brush to spread it.
What? Okay. Go ahead.
No, that's alright. You look pretty weird. We're gonna go back to the big brush. We're gonna use this stuff. I think this is setting powder. So we're gonna get a little bit of this. We're gonna put this on. Oh. That's a lot. Oh.
Flashback Mary who?
Oh. Oh. You guys see this? It's okay, I helped buy this makeup so that I can help replace it. You look like the Queen of England. Alright, so there's a ton on your face right now. It's literally caked on.
Yep.
But that's not what it's gonna happen. That's how it's gonna be. Now what we want to move on to is, do you do your eyes or do you blush first? Your eyes first. I'm not gonna do a ton to your eyes though, because I don't want to spend time there.
This one. I'll help you.
Oh, there we go. Thanks. It was right in front of my
You're
face.
like rummaging.
Well, this, I knew what I was looking for on this one. I just couldn't find it. No. This is eyeliner. Dang it, I was looking for the eyebrow stuff. Alright, next I'm gonna have you do... I'll have you do partial differential equations next, and then I'll laugh at you. Oh! Okay, yeah, you use this little brush, and then you do... Yeah. Heck yeah. Yeah.
So how do you like being a makeup artist?
Oh, this is horrible. My hand, like, this is so delicate. Like, I feel like my hands don't have that motor muscle. There's a big splotch of it.
It's a new thing.
Yeah.
It's
you know how, like, guys shave half their eyebrow? Girls put half...
You add it on.
Yeah. So, cool. So now we get to use the Jacket Hill palette. There's no primer or anything, is there? Because if there is, we ain't using it. Alright, so we want to do, what look do we want to go for? What are the coolest names? Ooh, creamsicle, that's a cool name. We're going to do that. You're going to look like a dandelion, okay?
You're so like, he's like, it looks so funny with a man your size.
Makeup is expensive. I don't want to break anything. Now close your eyes.
You're making my eye water with how you're using that brush.
Thanks. Oh, how do you use the brush? You do this?
No!
Or you do this? Alright, so we're doing the other side now.
You haven't heard of windshield wiper motion?
Oh, I'm sorry, yeah. The last time I watched a makeup video, they talked about that. Next, what we gotta do next? This is my favorite part. That's all I wanted to do, honestly.
That's all you want to do?
Yeah, that's I just want to do that to your whole face. The colors are so cool.
Jaclyn Hill, baby!
I want this one to be very specific. Okay.
So tonight we are actually leaving around 7 o'clock to go to Seattle.
I messed up.
Did you just lick your hand?
I messed up.
What?
Back to the fun part. Did you roll your eyes as you close them? My
special talent.
I was about to say my girl's talented.
You can't blow away liquid eyeliner.
Sorry, I forget you're a person who reacts to things.
Okay,
Right.
comment down below if you don't clean your brushes as much as you need to as well, cause look at my face. My face matched with my hair. I look like the weird bird thing from Spirited Away. What?
This side, eyeliner looks so good. This side is a disaster. I'm upset. I did so good on the left side, and the right side I just... Let's see what it looks like. Maybe I'll have a clue as to where it goes. Oh, is this for your eyebrows?
Yeah. You're not even telling me to do anything. You're just going in, you know, might poke out my eye, but it's okay. Thumbnail.
Oh,
I do.
I don't know. I might have put that on wrong, but your eyelash is doing like this curvy thing.
How did you do that?
Do you see it?
Yeah.
What did I do? I don't know. It's okay, I'm talented. That wasn't so hard, was it?
My anxiety level just went up 10,000.
Well, you look amazing.
I need to call my therapist.
Alright, so by a stroke of genius, I've determined scientifically, ooh, it's all over my hands up, that this bronzer is the contour. Gotcha.
AKA, I told him.
How do you do this? Ooh, there's nothing left for that one. We're gonna make it work until it doesn't. Now it looks like you have a scar.
And I love the range of the contour.
Well, I needed to spread it out because it's
I can't see it this
good. Heck, yes.
I mean, it's just about as good as I do mine, so.
Where do I want to put this?
That's quite a lot of blush.
It is, look at that. Dimple. Accentuate that.
Oh gosh.
Heck, yes. See, you're starting to look more like a clown, and it's all because of that. We want to do, ooh, this tropical coral sounds amazing right now. How do you do this? Alright, here we go. Start with the top. Dang it, you look like Miranda sings.
Oh jeez.
Final product. You look like you have more.
Are you not gonna put highlighter on?
I don't know where to put it. I'm gonna put it everywhere. How's it look?
Looks great.
It looks great?
Yeah.
Good, it looks like you have makeup on.
Yep. That's what it looks like.
Comment down below how great I did, how I'm better than all you. Do you see
that
this lipstick?
neck, though.
Do you see? You're not gonna find golden eyes more golden than this. My gosh, I am amazing. I am the best.
So this is the finished look. I haven't really seen it.
It's amazing. You don't even need to look. Just.
I'm gonna go get a mirror.
No, just go to work like that.
What?
Look at that eyeliner.
There's like a humongous space between my eyelash and the liner.
Yeah, that's the look.
Deceased. I will say this. I think you did a better job than I thought you were gonna do. Put highlight on my face. You put more bronzer on, but it was glittery, so interesting. Okay, so what do you guys think? Do you think he did an amazing job?
10 out of 10.
Would you guys go out in this? Let me know. I feel like I'm ready to go clubbing in a very, very dark room.
You look like...
No people.
You look like 1 a.m. getting home from clubbing, the mess afterwards.
Thanks, babe.
No problem, my pleasure. Thanks for having me on your channel.
So if you guys want to see more of Hunter, please like, please share, please comment, please tell your mom about it. We are at 46 subscribers, which my goal before my birthday is 75. We have a little over 3 weeks until then. So go ahead and tell everyone about my channel. This is my 5th video, so I'm really proud of myself that I'm able to stick with it, and we will see you guys later.